Hi everyone, here are the first three solutions to the exam style questions on trigonometry which were given for homework to help you prepare for your test. So the first question is a simple right angled triangle and it asks you to find BC, where this is A, this is B and this is C. So, straight away, I know it's a right angled triangle, I have an angle and I have a side, so I'm going to do SOHCAHTOA. And then I'm going to tick the side that I know the hypotenuse, and it's asking me for BC, which I'm going to call X, and that is the opposite of the angle, because it's opposite the angle here, and this is the hypotenuse opposite, and I'm going to use sine. So sine of the angle, which is 67 degrees, is equal to the opposite, which is x, divided by 56. Now, you can either use your little triangle, which is so I'm trying to find the opposite, so if I cover up that, then it's going to be sine times hypotenuse. So sine times hypotenuse, so bring it up, and then that means that x is equal to 56 multiplied by sine 67. So x is equal to, pop that into the calculator, 56 times sine 67. And that gives me 51.5 to three significant figures. And my units should be in millimeters, three significant figures. Okay, on to the next one. It says find the height of the tree. But the little trick of this one is that the man is viewing it already 1.5 meters up. And he's measuring it from a device called a clinometer, which is 28 meters from the tree, and the angle of elevation is 29 degrees here. So I need to find the height of the tree. So again, what is it? It's a right angled triangle. This is the opposite, which I'm trying to find, and then I'm going to add on the 1.5. But this side here is the adjacent. So if I do SOHCAHTOA again, I have the opposite and I have the adjacent, so it's tan. So tan of the angle 29 is equal to the opposite, which again, I'm just going to call x. X divided by the adjacent, which is 28. So again, draw my little triangle. What am I trying to find? I'm trying to find the top, so cover up opposite, which means tan times adjacent. So x is equal to 28 times tan 29. So x is equal to, pop that in the calculator again, 15.5, and this time it's in meters. However, I'm not finished my answer because that's just x I found. I still need to find the bottom to the top. So the height of tree is equal to 15.5 plus the extra 1.5, and you should need a calculator for that. That's 17 meters. Okay, the last one of this paper, question 3, I have a trapezium. So I've put a little dotted line there which wasn't in the question. Why did I do that? Because then I create a rectangle and a triangle, and the triangle is going to be a right angled triangle. I know that that's 9 and I know that that's 16. So what does that leave? This 16 minus 9 is going to be 7. Another thing you need to notice is this is 90 degrees and this is 108. So 108 minus 90 degrees is going to leave me with this small shaded angle. So 108 minus 90 leaves me with 18 degrees. Now it asks me for CD. So CD is here. So again, I've got an angle, I've got an opposite, and I want a hypotenuse. So SOHCAHTOA. Again, I said I've got an opposite, but I want the hypotenuse this time. So it's going to be so. So sine 18 is equal to opposite 7. And again, I'm going to use x over x. Look at my little triangle. So what am I trying to find this time? I'm trying to find the hypotenuse. So it's opposite over sine. So x is equal to the opposite over sine 18. This is the bit that a lot of students make mistakes on because they multiply instead of dividing. So you need to understand the differences. Pop it in the calculator. 7 divided by sine 18. And that gives me 22.7. And the units for that one is in centimetres. I will put up the rest of the solutions soon.